Welcome back. We are day 3 in this piece and we discovered some pretty unfortunate news. You know, I honestly thought that these past couple of days, well actually no, just yesterday, it was super hot and I figured all the water that would be there would have dried up by now, but I was wrong, guys. Let's go take a look. Look at this. Just look at this. Completely flooded in, guys. We basically build moats here. This thing will definitely keep the horses and knights away. Nine, maybe 10 inches of water that we gotta drain out. It's okay. Alright, so we're back from the tool rental center. Had to go pick up a water pump because it's just we gotta clear that water, guys. It can't be there. It's a pretty cool little sucker, guys. We're about to go check it out. I think it's one of those industrial commercial ones, so hopefully this thing will be cleared out in like 10 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so a bit of an issue with this hose. No bracket. Clamp, so this thing just starts. We're connecting the bracket so we can just throw out that water out on the street. We figure that's probably the best bet. So we got to move around some things. So the broken end that doesn't have that secure clamp on, we're going to use on the other end on this side because this one has the locking. We got all the hoses connected up for the water pump. Try to see if this thing works. Well guys, we made the bad mistake of not checking the hoses. What's going on over here?
Well, you got yourself a glory hole right here.
It's okay, this wall is super unsafe. You can fall on us at any time. I love you, Mom and Dad. We got the wall pretty much down. Ty here is vandalizing, having some fun. Pretty safe. If anything, it would fall that way. It wouldn't fall towards us, so we're safe. At least that's what he thinks. Got a lot of trash, a lot more trash than we expected. Ty's gonna take care of that. All right, but we got to the point where we needed. Come with me over here. Watch your step. Don't be careful. We don't want to trip on those. Made it all the way to the edge here. So our plan for tomorrow is to we gotta get that jackhammer again. The line all the way to here, and as you can see, we knocked that wall down. All power has been cut, canceled, cables have been canceled. We're all good here, guys. So tomorrow, all it is just tearing it up. Day by day, we're getting there. Too much trash out of that one tiny little wall. Tomorrow, you're taking care of the trash. We're gonna have to load it up on the truck. We're gonna bring in that one nifty. Bring that one in, load up all the trash, and try to clear things up. We gotta get that footing in, guys. The footing is important here. Took some time out of the day, but we eventually got it. Little by little, we're moving up, right?
Yep.
On paper, it doesn't look like a big job, but when you're actually doing it, it's a different story. All we gotta do is just be sure, bring the sunblock, bring the dad hat, you gotta bring your shades. to go pick up some materials. All we gotta do is pick out the one we need. I think these are it. Yeah, you're supposed to put these down. Do a little bit of moves. Oh man, this is family store. Alright, put it there. How many we got? It's straight ones, because look at the first one this guy gets. Look at this guy. What attracted you to the curved one?
That's character.
You don't like the straight ones? That's character. That's a poor excuse. How's it look? Straight. Good. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. We need those things. 14? 18. 18 of those. How many you got there? Alright, there's more here. How many views? 16, I think this is it. And last thing we'll need is tie wire. We good? Got the rebars. We got the rebar hangers and then the actual wire tie. 10 and what is that one? All right, before we finish up this video, quickly show you what was accomplished today. With that wall demo down, we had enough space to go ahead and continue digging for the footing. Got that all cleared up, and we picked up the rebars. All that's left is to set up the rebars, have all that ready to go, and then call for inspection, and we can just zoom past everything else. Let's just take a moment of silence for all that concrete. That's a lot of concrete. Ty, go ahead and end off the video. Tell everybody what they should be doing right now.
Having fun.
No, man. Tell them to subscribe. Have fun.
Well, have fun, subscribe, and
If they're cool, they'd subscribe. If you're cool, you'd subscribe.
yeah, if you're cool, you'd actually subscribe to this channel
You should.
and like it as well.
Nah, I don't like it. Don't like it. Just subscribe. Alright, in all seriousness, we're gonna get to it. To the down and dirty, which we did actually today. We got the rebars in. Unfortunately, when we called for inspection, they're not gonna be available until Friday, and today is Wednesday. So, we could spend all day trying to prepare everything for rain and whatever is going to happen, but we have an extra day to do that, so we're just gonna leave it at that. So far so good. We did have to dig up in there a little bit, some slight work we had to do. That concludes today's struggles, and now on to encounter tomorrow's struggles, guys. But today, that's gonna cut it. Hopefully you enjoyed today's adventures. It wasn't a lot, but we still did a good amount. We had some rain, unexpected. This stuff happens all the time. It's contingencies. It's all right. Plan for them. Anyways, do all that good stuff. Subscribe, like, comment, all that lovely things, guys, and I will see you guys on the next one.